Hello friends, welcome to Coding Net. Hi everyone. Today let us see a story of a princess. Are you ready to create a story with me? Come, let us make it. First, we go for the sprite. This is about a princess. It's a fantasy story. So just click fantasy. These are the images I'm getting. I'm just going for this beautiful princess. This sprite is not required for me, so I just deleting it. Make the size of the princess to a little bit small. So here, just I'm changing the size to 50. That's right. I need a background, so I'm just going to backdrops, and here I get these backdrops. I need a backdrop which is related to fantasy, so I'm just clicking this fantasy. So these backdrops are here. Let me choose this first. Castle 3. Backdrop 2 here. It has shown us backdrop 2. Okay. Let's go for control panel. Events. When the flag is clicked, I need this backdrop name is 2. I need this backdrop 2 should be shown. So I'm just checking. Just go for looks, and there you choose switch to next backdrop. Okay, so when this is clicked, my princess should be here. My princess should be here. So here, just go for motion. There, you choose, go to X and Y axis. The same number will be coming here. Minus 96. X axis is minus 96 and Y axis is 185. So what it says is, while I'm clicking the flag, my background should be Castle 3 and the X and Y axis of a princess should be there. So after that, can you see here? Just you have a look at this. Glide 1 second. X and Y axis. X is minus 96. Y is 185. This is the current position of my princess. I'm just moving. Here, can you see the X and Y axis have been changed? So I'm just going for a glide 1 second and X and Y axis is here. I'll tell you one thing. What is the difference between glide and go to X and Y axis? Let me paste here. If I click this, go to X and Y axis, just it comes here. But when I click the glide, can you see the difference? So I'm just using glide. It gives me a motion effect, a movement effect. Okay, I have fixed this. After this, I'm just changing the position to here. So now the X and Y axis is changed. Just drag and drop it. Okay, let us check how it is. Go to the flag symbol and just click it. Yes. It is too fast. To make it slow, I'm just changing the time of glide to 2 seconds. Let's see now. Yes, okay. Then let's go for a looks. Here choose say hello for 2 seconds. See, it has time period for till this time the message will be shown on the screen. I'm just saying I'm too bored. So, okay, let it be 2 first. And let us see what happens. Just go to the flag button and click it. I'm too bored. It is for 2 seconds. Okay. Then see here, say hello. It just says only the message what you have typed here. Think. It gives a thinking effect, and you can edit the message here, and how many seconds it should be shown can be modified here. I need to go for a adventure trip to a forest. It will be 2 seconds. Let me check how it does work. How it works. Good. Nice. Okay. Then our princess is moving out of the castle. So let me place princess here. See, go to motion. Here, the X and Y axis is changed. Just drag and drop it. 2. I'm too bored. I need to go for adventure trip to a forest. Okay. Let's make it 4. Okay. Then what we can do, we can change the costumes. Let us check what are costumes available. Just go for the costume here. Just to angle. Okay, I can go for this. Costume 2. Okay, I'm too bored. Before this, I can change the costume. So where it will be the costumes, go to the looks and take change costume. Switch costume. Princess B. Yes. So just like this. So here I need the costume to be 1. Princess costume to A. Let's check what happens here. Okay. So here I need to change again. Let me change it to the costume. Yes. Then choose a costume here. Again A. Let's check now. Okay. Then I'm going to add a second background for a scene 2. So I'm just moving this. For adding a background, we have to go here, choose background, click this. Here many backgrounds are there. Since we are doing a fantasy story, just click fantasy. Here I'll choose this. So coming out. The princess is coming out of a castle. So let's place the princess here. Okay. So here, after the scene 1, we are moving to the scene 2. So to show the transaction or to say this to our scratch system, it is the scene 2, we have to need a broadcast. And it is in events, broadcast message and wait. Go for a new message, click it, give scene 2. Okay. So after this completion, it gives a broadcast message scene 2. And I am going to have a, and this broadcast message will be received by, when I receive the broadcast message. What is the messages? Screen 2. When I receive the screen 2, what should happen? My backdrops should be changed. So go to the looks and take change switch backdrop to caster 3. Let us check how it works. And my princess position should be here. So let me go for a motion and let me go for X and Y axis, not gliding, just straight away go to X and Y axis. Let me check what happens now. I'm too bored. I need to go for adventure trip to a forest. No, backdrop is not switched. Okay. Let us check now. Yeah, we got it. The name was changed. That is Castle 2. We just changed it now. Okay. Let's give a moving effect for our princess. Two seconds. Okay. Let's check it now. Yeah, perfect, kids. We have done scene 1 and scene 2. Let's go for a scene 3. So, for scene 3, we need a forest backdrop. So, go to choose backdrop, click this, again go for fantasy. It's a forest, so I can choose this, woods. Okay, here we got it. Name is backdrop 4. Let it be. What should happen now for us? Here we can give a broadcast message. Go for events and take broadcast message and type. Go for new message and give scene 3. Okay. So when I receive this scene 3, my backdrop should be changed to woods. That is backdrop 4. So go for looks. Choose the next, no, not next backdrop. Switch backdrop to woods. Any backdrop 4 is there? No. Okay, woods. Let it be woods. Let's check. And my princess position should be here. So go for motions and we can choose go to X and Y axis. Okay, let's check it. See, this screen is for full screen. Let me click this. So this is a full screen view. Just go to the flag symbol and click it. Wow, I'm too bored. I need to go for adventure trip to a forest. Yes, we got it. Nice. Okay, let's make our story more interesting. Hmm, what the princess can say? Princess can say it's too scary. The princess is alone, and it is also a deep forest. Ooh, ooh, too scary. I'll let it for 3 seconds. Then we can have a other character. Go to the sprite list, choose a sprite. We need a character for a fantasy story. Here is a fantasy button, just click it. So what we can choose? We can choose a witch. Can we choose her? Yes. Okay. When let us place her here. Here. Hmm. Go for costume. Here we need the poster in left side. So flip, yeah, flip this way. And this is also flip this way. This flip this way. This flip this way. Yes, good. Okay, let me go for a code. Make her small. So go to the size here and make as 15. Too small. Make her as 75. Yeah, it's okay. First, in first scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, which should be hidden. So we can give go for the control. Sorry, now go for an event block. When the flag symbol is clicked, the which should be hidden. So go for looks, hide, give hide, and go for controls and take wait. Wait for 30 seconds. I think 30 seconds. All the scenes, 1, 2, 3 scenes should be over. Let me have, okay, let me have 20 seconds. Let me check what happens. After 20 seconds, the witch should be appear on the screen. So go for looks, take, drop the show here. Okay, let us check what happens. I need to go for adventure trip to a forest. Ooh, too scary. Yeah, perfect. In 20 seconds, we got the witch here. Let me show you. If I reduce the time, what happens? You see, if I give wait for 5 seconds, what happens? Let us check it. See, which appeared in the first screen, first scene. So here it is not necessary. So we need her only on the screen 4. So the waiting time should be increased. Let us have 20. Okay. Can you understand, kids? Shall we move on to our story? Okay, good. What happens? Wait, let me clear all this. Yeah, which appeared. Okay. Okay. She's which? No? So, he, he. He, For 2 seconds. And now the princess should ask message for the reply for the sound. So let's go for events. We choose broadcast. Go for new message and tell this is a scene 4. When I receive scene 4, what should happen? Princess should answer. Go for looks and take this and place it where. Oh, this is here. We need no need these things. So just go for again princess. Take broadcast message. No. When I receive, let's place here. When I receive this message scene 4, princess should say, "Who are you?" Why should not? Who are you? And broadcast and type here. I'm not seeing question. Let us have question 1. This is the question 1 given by the princess. So to the which, just click the which. When I receive question 1, what should happen? Which should reply? Go for look. Here, take this message box and say, this is my place. Who are you? Little girl. Shall we change the costume for this witch? So go for costume. No, costume. Go for looks. Change costume. Where is switch costume to here? D C. What will be the costume? Okay. That's nice. Okay, this is soft story. I'm too bored. I need to go for adventure trip to a forest. Ooh, too scary. Hee. Who are you? This is my place. Who are you, little girl? Okay. Shall we make it for 4 seconds? Okay. For this message, the princess have to reply. So what we can say, what we can do? Go for events again. Broadcast, message, new message, question 2. Oh, you okay? Okay. So go for princess, and princess have to answer for the message. When I receive question 2, what should the princess say? I'm princess. So shall we change her look? Costume, where is next costume? Not next costume. Switch costume too. Mm, Princess B. Okay. I'm a princess. I'm a princess. And again, another message. I came here for an adventure trip. 4 seconds. Since it's a long message, let us have it for 4 seconds. Okay, let us see. Nice. After this, let us change the costume of the princess to A. Switch backdrop, switch costume to A. Okay. So, for this question, which have to answer? Hmm, okay, kids, let me stop my story here. You continue your story and you finish the story by your creations. Okay, I expect a lot from you kids. After doing the story, how we can save this to our system. Let us see how to save this to our system. Go to File, click Save to your computer. This dialog box will appear. You just retype this project name as Princess Story and give Save. And you can choose the folder where you can save your programs. I'm saving in my PC G drive Scratch program. I just created a folder called Scratch programs. Within that, I'm just storing this princess story. Give save. So now it is saved to your computer. Okay, let us see final output of our story. Just click this full screen control. You'll get this full screen and just go to the green flag. Click this scene 1. I'm too bored. I need to go for adventure trip to a forest. Ooh, too scary. Who are you? This is my place. Who are you, little girl? I'm Princess. I came here for an adventure trip. Very nice. Kids, I think you can create your own stories now. Thank you.